Burn laurel leaves in your house and you will never stop doing it. You may already know the laurel leaf, but you probably don't know what happens when you burn it in your house. I started doing it and I confess that I was quite surprised. After I tell you the 3 powerful reasons why you should burn the laurel leaf at home, I'm sure you'll want to do it all the time. And you don't have to worry because this is not any kind of magic. This is a very valuable advice that will help you a lot. Let's go with today's advice. You've probably heard of the laurel leaf, or maybe you've used it to make some tea, some food, or to season a dish. But these are not all its benefits, since burning the laurel leaf at home brings incredible benefits that we can't even imagine. When we burn this leaf, its phytochemicals are released into the environment, which bring health and the environment benefits. In this video, I will talk about them, but first, leave me below the name of the city from where you are watching this video, so I can send you a special greeting in the next one. Before talking about all the benefits of this leaf, I'm going to show you the right way to burn the laurel leaf. First, choose a suitable place to burn the leaves. You should do it away from the curtains, blankets, or paper, and preferably on a flat surface. Place the leaves inside a glass plate, and with the help of a lighter or a match, light them one by one. Let them burn little by little, and let the smoke spread throughout the room. You will notice that the leaves do not burn completely, but only make embers and emit a little smoke. At that moment, just relax and breathe. You are about to feel all its benefits. By doing this process, it is possible to reduce headaches, reduce anxiety, provide more tranquility, and restore the respiratory system. All this is achieved thanks to the essential oil of laurel, as it contains many properties and organic fatty acids. So when you feel down, do not hesitate to burn the laurel leaf and enjoy all its incredible benefits. If you have taken advantage of this advice, do not forget to make it reach your loved ones. Also leave me the phrase below, "Laurel for my house," so I will know that you stayed until the end. Learn more at alaskagranny.com. Please subscribe to the Alaska Granny channel.